Everyone, welcome to my. Oops, sorry. Let's just. Welcome to my video. Today, we're gonna be testing a new world. Watch this. So here is my new car, so I can ride it. Watch this. Heck yeah! Oh no! Oh no! I'll be stuck here forever. Oh no! I can see. Oh, I can see. Okay, let me just. Okay, there we go. And if you look closely, my car is stuck, so I'll just throw it away. Whoa, what the fuck? Oh my god! Hey! Whoa! Oh shit! Oh shit! What the fuck? Oh wait, is he flying on the camera? If you look closely, I'm on the water, so I can swim. Hey, I'm swimming in the water. If you look closely, I'm in the drowning. Help me, I'm drowning. Anyway, let's just get out here. And as you know, okay, if you look closely, this is my white van. And let's just drive it. Here we go. Heck yeah, I'm driving in the car. Let's go. But wait a minute. I heard there's something person in there. Let's just check it out. Wait. What the heck? Where the heck is he? Oh no, there's a camera! Oh shit! Oh shit! Holy shit, I just dropped it. I broke the camera. But wait a minute. But wait a minute. Is he on the water? Wait, let me use the gun. Hold on. Oh, there's. Oh yeah, that's not a man. Where'd the man go? Hey! Yep, I found you. Give me all the money.
Let's talk this out, okay?
Give me all the money or fight.
Look, you win. I surrender.
Not now. Yeah! Fuck you! Fuck you! You know what that means? Time for the IBG. But wait. I gotta use anything. Hold up. Let me just. Okay. Okay, time for kaboom. You ready? Here we go. Kaboom. Wow, that actually worked. Wow, there's only one left. Ow! Sorry guys, I'm alive. So, bye-bye.